Haha, finally we landed safely, yes. The weather here is just perfect for a family vacation.
Haha, you are right, honey. Now we just need to get our luggage and head to the beach.
I know, I am so excited for the beach.
Look, Mary, the baggage carousel number 5 is starting to move now.
Great, please keep your eyes open for my suitcase, Jack.
Don't worry, darling. Is it the big black one we used last year?
No, I changed it. My suitcase is completely brown with a bright red ribbon on the handle.
Oh, I see many brown bags on the belt, but none of them have a red ribbon.
Let's just be patient. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry, not that one.
No, 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 and nope.
It's been quite a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, I feel like something isn't right.
It has been 10 minutes already, and the carousel is becoming very empty.
Let's be patient, Mary. Sometimes they deliver the bags in different groups.
But look, almost everyone from our flight has their bags already.
Just stay calm. The airport rule is to wait for the very last bag on the belt.
I am trying, but I feel a bit stressed because all my clothes are in there.
Wait a second. The belt is completely empty now.
Oh no, this is not good. There are no more bags on the carousel.
You are right. Our brown bag is missing. Oh no, my clothes.
And my makeup. I cannot go on a vacation without my makeup.
We need to go find an airport officer at the desk immediately.
Right, let's go.
Excuse me, officer, can you help me for a moment?
Good afternoon, ma'am. How can I assist you today?
I just arrived on flight 102, but my suitcase is not on the belt number 5.
I understand. Let me check the system for you right now.
You can? I waited until the carousel stopped, but I don't see it.
Sometimes the airport uses 2 belts for large flights.
Oh my, I really hope I can find it. Please help me.
I will try my best. Could you please describe your bag to me, ma'am?
It is a large brown suitcase with a red ribbon on the handle.
Is it a very heavy or very large bag?
Yes, it is quite big because it has all our family's clothes.
Just a moment, ma'am. Let me refresh my screen again.
Do you see any information about my brown suitcase?
Oh, I am sorry, but the status shows that all bags from your flight are already delivered.
Oh no, that is terrible news.
Please stay calm, ma'am. We will help you find it.
How? What else can I do to get my bag back?
Well, in this case, you need to go to the Lost and Found desk right now.
Can you tell me where that office is, please?
It is right next to the exit door under the blue sign.
Thank you for your help. I will go there immediately.
Excuse me, is this the Lost and Found desk?
Yes, it is. Good afternoon, ma'am. How can I help you?
I need some help. I cannot find my suitcase on the baggage carousel.
I'm sorry to hear that. Please don't worry. We deal with this situation quite often, and we will help you step by step.
Thank you. I'm a little worried because I waited until the belt stopped completely and I did not find my bag at all.
I understand. That can feel stressful, but it doesn't always mean the suitcase is lost. Sometimes bags are delayed, loaded onto a later flight, or picked up by another passenger by mistake.
Really? So there is still a chance to find it?
Yes, definitely. In most cases, we are able to locate the bag. First, may I check your luggage tag receipt?
Yes, I have it here on the back of my boarding pass.
Perfect. Please keep it safe. This tag is very important because it has a unique barcode and baggage number.
Can it help track my suitcase?
Exactly. With this number, we can check where your suitcase was last scanned and whether it was delayed or sent to another area.
That makes me feel better. What should I do now?
Since the carousel has already stopped and your suitcase hasn't arrived, the next step is to prepare a lost baggage report.
Do I need to fill out a form?
Yes, ma'am. We will help you fill out the form now. We'll need your flight details, luggage tag number, contact information, and a description of your suitcase.
Okay, I'm ready to provide the details.
Stay calm, ma'am. Please go over to this desk. My coworker will help you proceed the procedure.
Hello again, ma'am. I am here to help you find your bag. Thank you. I am ready to start the report now.
Great. Please fill out this PIR form for me.
What is a PIR form exactly?
It stands for Property Irregularity Report to track your bag.
I understand. Please help me.
Yes, of course. We are here to help. Can I see your passport first?
Here is my passport. The number is 111-111-222-222.
Thank you. Now I need your boarding pass and luggage tag receipt.
Here they are. The tag number is 333-333-444444.
Perfect. Now please describe your bag in detail for the system.
It is a large brown suitcase with 4 wheels.
Is it a hard shell or a soft case suitcase, ma'am?
It is a hard shell bag, so it is very strong.
Does it have any other special marks or ribbons?
Yes, it has a bright red ribbon on the top handle.
Thank you. That is very cute.
I also need to provide my local address and phone number, right?
Yes, please write your contact details clearly on the form.
I am staying at the Sea Breeze Hotel, room 555.
And your phone number for the airport to call you?
My local number is 666-666-777.
Did you have any valuables like a laptop or jewelry inside?
Oh no, thank goodness. I kept all my valuables in my carry-on bag. That is very smart. Most passengers make that mistake. You should always keep your money and documents with you. Thank you. I feel lucky too. So that's all?
That's all. We will call you immediately when we find your bag.
Thank you so much. I hope to hear from you very soon. We will try your best. Please don't worry.
Oh, the Lost and Found office just called me. They said a woman brought my bag back. Oh my goodness, I really hope it is my suitcase.
Hello? Are you Mary?
Yes, I am. Are you Alice? Oh my goodness, that's my bag. That's really my family's bag.
Yes, I'm Alice. Are you looking for this brown suitcase?
Yes, I am. Oh, thank goodness. I was so worried. I thought I had lost it forever.
Oh dear, I am truly sorry. I made a terrible mistake.
I was very stressed, but I'm just so relieved now. How did you pick up my bag?
Your suitcase looks exactly like my old one at home. Same color, same size, almost the same shape.
I understand. Brown suitcases can look so similar at the airport.
Yes, and today I only had a small carry-on bag with me.
So you didn't even need to wait at the carousel?
No, I didn't. I was tired after the flight. I saw the brown suitcase, thought it was mine, and just grabbed it. I am so sorry, Mary.
That must have been an honest mistake. I'm just happy my clothes and things are back.
I felt awful when I reached the exit door and checked the tag. My heart dropped when I saw your name.
Thank you for bringing it back so quickly. That means a lot to me, and my husband, and my kid.
Of course, I couldn't leave with someone else's bag. I'm really sorry again.
It's okay, Alice. Maybe this is a good lesson for both of us. From now on, I will never buy a plain brown suitcase again.
Yes, definitely. A bright color would help a lot. Pink, yellow, or green suitcases are much easier to see.
And I will put a big name tag on my luggage.
That's smart. It should have your phone number and email address. You may also use a bright luggage strap around the suitcase, or some colorful stickers on the side. Then no one can mistake it easily. Thank you for being so kind and understanding, Mary.
You're welcome, Alice. Thank you for being honest and bringing my bag back.
I hope you can finally relax now.
I can. I'm going to enjoy my vacation after all.
That's wonderful. Have a great time at the beach, sweet family. Bye, Mary.
Thank you. You too, Alice. Have a lovely vacation.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun quiz for you. Please comment below and tell us, why did the other woman take Mary's bag? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.